Alright y'all, so today we're going to be making just a basic chicken noodle soup. We got some chicken for this, some chicken breast, some boneless, skinless chicken breast. We got some fresh parsley, we have an onion, we have some chicken broth, we have just some egg noodles. You can use whatever noodle you like. We got some carrots here. We got about 4 average sized carrot sticks and then 4 celery sticks as well. Also, it's not here, but we also need some butter. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn new recipes every week, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. Alright y'all, so we have our large onion here. We've already gone ahead, peeled it. Now we're just going to dice it up. And here we're not going to worry too much about uniformity and stuff. We want it to look a little more rustic. Now I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this to my cook pot. Now, I've only washed my carrots, but you can go ahead and peel them too if you like. Now we're also going to move these over to our cook pot. Now we're going to take our celery sticks. Once again, dice them up. Move this over to our cook pot. Alright y'all, so over here, I'm going to use a medium-high heat. We're just going to drop in 4 tablespoons of butter. And we just want to get all these vegetables started softening up and started cooking down. Try to move the butter to the bottom a little bit if you can. Now something else I also forgot is we're going to take about 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. That'd be 3 to 4 cloves depending on their size. Alright y'all, so our celery and our onions have started to cook down. Our carrots will start to grate down over time. We're going to go ahead and add in 62 ounces of our chicken broth. And we're going to let this come up to a simmer real quick. Alright y'all, so once this begins to simmer, we're going to go ahead and just drop our 3 chicken breasts in. And we're going to cover and let this simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes until that chicken is cooked all the way through. At that point, I'll bring it back. Alright y'all, so we've been cooking about 25 minutes now. We're just going to go ahead, uncover. We're going to remove our chicken. And now we're going to add in our noodles. For me, I'm using just an egg noodle. Now we're just going to let that cook, depending on how your pasta is supposed to cook. Now let's go shred our chicken real quick. Alright y'all, so we have our chicken over here and I got 2 forks. And we're just going to start shredding it apart. It'll shred pretty easily. So now we're just going to go ahead and dump our chicken back into our soup. And now we're just going to take some of our fresh parsley and we're going to dump that in. 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup. We're going to get that mixed in. And when our pasta's done, it's ready to serve. Alright y'all, and there we have it. A simple chicken noodle soup for when you're feeling blue or you just want a chicken noodle soup. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see anything else cooked on this channel, go ahead, leave a comment below. And until next time, keep on cooking on.